My name's Kyle. I'm 10 years old. Today I'm happy to read you a story. Begin. Story 25. Birds of a Feather 1. A pretty little bird loves to sit in her tree and sing beautiful songs. Her friends gathered and listened to her every day. One day, a cat comes to the tree. He did not like the little bird singing. "Stop! Stop! Stop!" says the cat. "This is my tree now, and I will not no sing here." He runs across a branch and frightens the little blue bird. She flies away. Her bird friends are sad and they fly away too. Goodbye everyone. See you again. Goodbye.